Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to show Steam games on Discord. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Discord app and log in with your credentials. Now, here is an important note before we proceed. You need to link your Steam account to your Discord first. This connection is what allows Discord to display your Steam games. Since I've already linked my account, I'll show you the next steps to complete the setup. In the bottom left corner of your Discord window, click the gear icon. This will open your user settings where you can customize various aspects of your Discord experience. From the left panel, click on Connections. This is where you manage all your linked accounts and integrations with other platforms. Next, click on Steam. You'll see an option that says Sign In. Click it to link your Steam account to Discord. This process will redirect you to Steam, where you'll need to authorize Discord to access your gaming information. Once you've completed the authorization, your Steam account will be successfully linked to Discord. Now that your Steam account is linked, let's configure the privacy settings. In the left panel, click on Activity Privacy. This section controls what information Discord shares with others about your current activities. Look for Share My Activity and make sure the toggle next to it is turned on. This setting is crucial because it allows Discord to broadcast what game you're currently playing to your friends and server members. We're almost done. In the left sidebar, click on Game Overlay. The Game Overlay feature enhances your Discord experience while gaming by allowing you to access Discord features without leaving your game. Look for Enable Overlay. Right beside it, there's a toggle switch. Click it to turn on the overlay feature. This ensures that Discord can properly detect and display your Steam games when you're playing. And that's it. You've now configured Discord to show your Steam games. Your friends will be able to see what you're playing, and you can enjoy seamless integration between Discord and Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.